Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm glad to have you back. For the first time viewers, I'm Adiola of Dandy Fashion School. We're into fashion designs and bag making, but this channel, in case you're just hearing I did this for the first time, this channel is purposely for bag making. And if you know you are a long time subscribers, I say thank you so much for always sticking to this channel. So today I'll be making this beautiful piece of bag. Yeah, beautiful. It's actually a phone pouch, but it is not only meant for phone. Do you understand? It's something you can actually keep your phones, your chargers, any other valuable things you have. Do you understand? It's something that can accommodate a little things. So it's something that can accommodate your daily items, what you need daily. So let's get started into the measurements. So I'll be drafting the back measurements first. Don't forget we have two body, which is the front body and the back body, but the back body carries the flap. Do you understand? So for the length of that, I'll be making use of 7.5 inches for the back body. So 7.5 inches for the length, and then for the width I'll be working with 5 inches. So for the extension of the flap, I'll be working with 4 inches of length and then the same width of 5 inches. The next thing I need to do now is to curve out all the edges. So in taking out my curve, so the measurements I'll be working with half inch. I'll be taking half inch in and then half inch upward, and then I'll be using it to connect a curve line. And then I'll repeat the same process for all the other edges. So now the next thing I need to draft now is the side piece, which is the side gusset. So in drafting that, don't forget I'll be working with the same length that I have as the main body, which is 7.5 inches. And then for the width, it all depends on how wide, like how big you want the bag to be. Do you understand? So for me, I'll be working with 3.5 inches. Yeah, I'll be working with 3.5 inches. So the width is going to be 3.5 inches, while the length still remains the same of 7.5 inches. So now coming to the gusset part of this, I'll be taking out of an inch, and then I'll be taking of an inch upward as well. So I'll repeat the same process for the other side too, and then connect it together. So this is what I mean. Please, even though you don't know how to draft this part, I have a detailed tutorial on how to draft a side gusset. Please try as much as possible to watch the video so you can get a clearer explanation on this part. So now the next thing I need to do now is to create my slight curve on both sides. So now the next thing I need to draft now is the down part of it, which is the down part of it that will be attaching to the side. So now in drafting that, I'll be using measurement of 4 inches by 3.5 inches. The 3.5 inches is still the same thing as the width of the bag, while the 4 inches is the same thing as the length. Don't forget what I have in the width of the bag is 5 inches initially, 5 inches. So this side gusset, I already have half inch on both sides, that's 1. So 5 inch minus 1, we have 4 inches. So the down part now is going to be 4 inches of length. Do you understand? 4 inches of length, and then why the width, which is the wideness of the bag, is still remain the same, 3.5 inches. So now I'll be cutting 4 by 3.5 inches. For the down part, I'll be needing just one piece, and then for the side gusset for both sides, I'll be needing 2 pieces of that. Do you understand? So the last pattern that I need to draft now is the front body. So in drafting the front body, don't forget what I just need to draft is the length of 7.5 inches and then the width of 5 inches, and then I'll give it a slight curve at the bottom part of it. Do you understand? So now coming to the sewing part of this bag, the first thing I need to do now is to join the gusset together. The side gusset, I'll be joining all the side piece together. Please watch me closely. And once I'm done joining it together, so I'll be fixing it to the first body first. I just have to follow the shape the way it is. So now I'm done with the front body. The next thing I need to fix now, or should I say the last thing I need to fix now, is the fixing it to the back body, which carry the flap. So I just have to arrange it well, I just have to set it well, and then sew it the way it is. So once I'm done with the sewing part, the next thing I need to fix now is to fix the handle. I'll be making use of this accessory. I'll be making use of this back strap holder accessory for the handle. I'll be fixing it to both sides of the side, and then after that I'll be fixing my lock, my bag lock. And then after that I'll be fixing my fashion pin. You can decide to leave it the way it is, or you can decide to fix in your own fashion pins also. So the last thing I need to fix now is to fix my handle. I already have a detailed tutorial on how to fix a leather in between chains. Do you understand? Just check the recent video, you find the video here. So that's the last thing I'll be fixing to the bag. So once I'm done with fixing of the handle, I'll be showing you the outcome. So here is the outcome of the tutorial. Here is the outcome of the video. Can you see how lovely it is? It's something you can make in mass production, sell to students, sell to family and friends, just sell to anyone. Trust me, you definitely it will definitely be sold out. Trust me. It's actually a nice bag. Yeah, I used double face material for this. So thanks so much for sticking with me this far. I appreciate you a lot. I love you for always coming to this channel. Thank you so much. And the first time viewers, please don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to share as well. And if there's a part you need more clarification, please click on the comment section and make your comment. I'll definitely give a response. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.